home or a property is fun and an exciting time, and we want to keep it that way for you. Hi, I'm Brandi Cook.
And I'm Vikki Crossland with Cook-Meybohm Real Estate. Please be aware that wire fraud is on the rise and is happening here locally. Many scammers are taking advantage of the COVID-19 conditions and restrictions, unfortunately. These people are trying to get your private information and want to send you fraudulent emails to get you to be tricked out to be sending them money that you plan on using towards the closing of your home with fake wiring instructions.
You can help protect your life savings with these 5 easy tips, and stay with us since the last tip is the easiest and the best method.
Tip 1. Be observant. Learn how to spot fraudulent email. Look closely at the sender's email and look for telltale signs like irregularities that could be a scam, like a property address spelled incorrectly in the subject line, slightly different email domain addresses, poor grammar, missing dollar signs, and no names or contact information are all important indicators.
Tip 2. Details matter. Talk with your bank to confirm not just the account number, but also the name and location the account before sending wire. Under the federal law, your bank is only required to verify the account number and routing number. Double checking is a good practice.
Tip 3. A sudden change of instructions. Beware, be suspicious. It's uncommon to have last-minute changes if you're wiring closing funds to a closing attorney, especially if they come from an email source. Make sure it matches the bank account name listed on the wiring instruction and you were given it by the closing office.
Now, tip 4. Verify when wiring funds for closing. Talk to the closing attorney office and let them know the date the wire is being sent, the exact amount, and the confirmation number. Have them confirm the funds were received immediately.
That's really important, Brandi. Now, tip number 5 is the most important, and it's the simplest. It's old school. Pick up that phone and call that closing office or attorney you are planning on wiring your money. Take that extra step and confirm all wiring instructions with a simple phone call before sending your money. Transferring any funds is the safest way to call.
Our real estate company would never send wiring instructions by email. If you ever receive them, it is fake. We even have forms signed by our sellers and buyers disclosing the potential of wire fraud to put our clients and customers on high alert.
Now, we understand you all are busy, and email and texting is the way of life, but a simple phone call can really save you money.
I hope you enjoyed our video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our current and future videos.
Remember, it's your home, your lifestyle,
and
we are your Aiken Homes team.